Okay, welcome back, Sandy Sylvia again. That is a welcome back for those of you that have been following along this free gift that Paulie B has been so kind to give to my channel to upload to all of you out there. It's his free traffic report, and specifically, he's talking about list mastery. This is episode 3. So in this episode, Paul's going to show you how to find your offers for your success sequence so you can make lots more money online. And if you are wanting to make lots more money online, you've come to the right place. So without further ado, let's give it to Paulie B, and he's going to teach you where to find all your offers.
Welcome back, part 3 of the list mastery course, and today we're actually going to get into doing stuff. Okay, and hopefully you've been patient with me, but my whole goal was to teach you rather than just give you theory, but I also wanted to teach you something new in theory, get you to look at things differently so that you understood it, and then of course by doing that proper teaching method, to now actually we're at the stage where I'm actually going to give you an assignment and you actually go do it from what you've learned in the first 2 videos. Okay, so today on this part we're going to pick our offers, and I'm also going to show you where you can find them. Okay, so remember the success sequence, right? We have to have primary offers, secondary offers, and potentially endless offers, right? And as we go through this process, we're going to today, I'm going to show you where to find offers, and also to and actually give you an assignment to actually start doing those. So the first offers that you can create or find are my offers, okay, or our offers below. So below these video tutorials, you'll see a resource section, and in there you're going to see already pre-done offers. So these pre-done offers are mine, and so they're the best, and they're awesome, and they convert really well. Okay, I might be a little bit biased on that, but they are very good in quality, and they convert very well because obviously I use them myself. So you can use those offers. They also have pre-done swipe files, and swipe files are just the actual autoresponder letters are already pre-done for you. All you have to do is customize them and personalize them yourself, and add your affiliate links, of course, with them. So those instructions and things like that are below. So if you wanted to use my offers, good, go do that. I would at least put my offers in there, in addition to the other ones that I'm going to speak about if you're planning on using other ones, okay? But it's okay if you just use my offers and nothing else, or if you want other options, here's some. ClickBank offers. Now, so most of you have heard of ClickBank before. If you haven't, it's a giant, huge digital resource where you can find a marketplace full of digital products of selling other people's products online. And it's really simple to use ClickBank. If you don't have an account, you could just go to clickbank.com. You just sign up, click that button right there. It'll ask you for basic information. You'll sign up. And basically what it'll allow you to do is go into their marketplace. So once you've created an account, you can go in their marketplace and look through their offers. Now, don't forget that when you do this, that you want the offers to be relatable to starting off with the internet marketing and make money online offers. Okay, so if you want to go find some good offers, this is always a great place to do it. ClickBank. A lot of the income and most of the products that I have are actually we use ClickBank as the affiliate program itself to process the orders and disperse the commissions for us. So I'm a very, very big vendor with them, but I'm also a very, very good affiliate with them, and I've made millions of dollars with ClickBank. Okay, so there's another place, and you'll find thousands and thousands and thousands of offers that are relatable, and you can just go through the marketplace, find the ones that you want to add to your sequence, and you'll find a few in there anyway. Another place to find some offers, this is a fairly new place. It's called JVZoo Online. And basically, you can go to jvzoo.com, and same process. You sign up, log in or register. So up here, when you land on their page, you'll log in, and you can also then as well go into their marketplace and do the same thing, very similar to ClickBank. Now, the difference here at JVZoo that I've seen so far is that a lot of their offers are very lower priced, but it's also too that they instantly pay you through PayPal. So it's nice when you're using something to make money up front with, and you want to make money quickly. You'll find some good ones at JVZoo. I've just started to use it maybe 3-4 months ago, and I get paid directly to my PayPal account really fast. So that I've added more and more over time to my sequence, and as part of my endless offers. So I'm always in there, once every couple weeks or so, looking for new offers, what's up there new, and put them into my sequence. Okay, so that's another place you can find some offers. Now, this next group of places you can find offers from is CPA offers, or cost per action. Now, if you're not familiar with cost per action, that's okay. And again, this is an option to find some of your offers. I like to use Max Bounty, preferably myself. I have used Peerfly. I do use AdSense Media, and a few others. Now, this is just a couple, obviously, here. You can go and find them on Google. Just punch up CPA networks or CPA affiliate programs, things like that, and they'll come up. Now, it's a little bit more difficult to get accepted because you have to apply for CPA offers, so you may want to hold off on those. But the nice thing about CPA offers that I really like and have made, and actually in some of my other training, I'll show you that I focus on at my primary training site that's free, by the way, and there'll be a link, should be a link in the description box below this video. I have a CPA course that's specifically showing you how to make money with CPA offers. Now, the nice thing about CPA offers and the ones I like is they give you a variety of lots of different things, and it is what it stands for, cost per action. So a lot of the time, the CPA offers that I offer to my in my success sequence are not sales. Sometimes they're sales, of course, and some of the biggest ones I've had success with are sales. But a lot of the stuff that I make thousands of dollars a month with, just nice extra little money, is the zip submits, where a person just has to put their zip code in or their email address in, and they'll pay you $2, $3, $4, or $5, sometimes as much as $8 or $10 per lead. Okay, they don't even have to buy anything, and they'll pay you for them. So those could be nice to add too. It is a little bit more difficult to get accepted to a CPA network, though. Max Bounty, I find the people that, as my students, I refer tend to get accepted there a little bit more, but it's a little bit more advanced, so you might want to hold off on that, or at least hop over to my my online success vault and get that. And like I said, in the description box, should be below this video. You should be able to get access to that for free, and take that course as well in the description box below this video. Okay, if it's not, just find me. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, I'm on LinkedIn, I'm on everywhere. You can contact me here at the YouTube channel. All kinds of different ways you can find me. Okay, so CPA offers, it's another nice way to add to your repertoire, if you will, if you're looking for lots and endless offers. And of course, network marketing. Now, network marketing offers. Now, you may already be in a network marketing program, and if you don't like network marketing, obviously don't offer them. But if you are in network marketing, I'm in different network marketing programs, you can always add it to your sequence. So if you just had a network marketing program and you want to kind of get this going, what you might want to do is just put my offers below, use those as your sequence, and then add a network marketing offer in there using the 3 email sequence. Okay. But again, if you want to go out there and find residual-based income opportunities through network marketing, you could add those as well. Now, I suggest that you start with just 3 to 5 offers. So I've showed you lots of different places to find offers. You could do the easy route, cookie cutter kind of thing, and just use the ones I recommend below. Those are our offers. Or you can go to ClickBank, you can go to JVZoo, you can use network marketing programs, but just find 3 to 5 to start. Okay. If it's easy for you and you're finding this task really easy to do 5 to 10. Okay, and over time, just add a new one every week or every couple weeks or every month at least, and eventually, before you know it, after a few months of doing that, you're going to have, dozens and dozens and dozens of offers in your success sequence. Now, you might be saying, really, is this what people do online to make money with? Yes. The more offers that you have inside your sequence, the more likely you're going to appeal to the prospect that went into the list in the first place. So you're going to be able to convert more because you're appealing to more different types of people. Okay? Hopefully that is making sense by now. I don't care what anybody has told you before. this is really how it's done. I've done it every way possible. This way you make the most money. Okay, so just start with 3 to 5 so it doesn't take you forever to get started. Now, your homework today is, if you haven't guessed it already, pick 3 to 5 offers you really like, or just use the ones that we suggested to get started fast below. Okay, and that might be the easiest track for a lot of you to start off with, but then as you feel more comfortable in understanding this concept, you might add more later. Okay, also what you want to do today is get your affiliate links for your offers. So if you're using the ones below on ours, they're really easy to populate because you just fill out your ClickBank username and it'll give them all to you. But if you're going to JVZoo or things, you might want to use an Excel spreadsheet and just make a column of, maybe the first column is what the program is or what the offer is, and then in the next column your affiliate link. Okay, so just organize them. You can use an Excel file, you can use a Word document, you can write them down if you want to. That's kind of a pain in the boot ski. You may want to just use a notepad on your computer. It doesn't matter what program you're using, just get them organized, okay, and get them together. So find the 3 to 5 offers, also get their affiliate links. That's your homework for today, okay? And once you've done that homework, move on to part 4 of List Mastery, where we're actually going to show you how to write the email letters in the sequence for those offers. Okay, so that's your homework for today. It's really short and sweet. I've given you lots of places to find offers. Now go do your homework, and I will see you in part 4. Don't move on to part 4 unless you do your homework. Otherwise, you're just wasting time.
Well, that concludes episode 3 from Polly B and his free traffic report. Wasn't that awesome? He's showing us lots of different ways where we can find endless offers for a success sequence. Well, like he said, it's going to be exciting to come back to him in the next episode. He's going to share with us as quickly as I can load it up. And I promise you I'm getting them up every day so that you can watch them in progression. And he's going to, in episode 4, he's going to show you, like he just mentioned, how to get the sales letters, which are going to make all the magic happen for us, right, to plug in to our autoresponder series. Okay? And you don't want to miss that, so you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Down in the right-hand bottom, right below this video, to the right there, just move over a little bit more and click on that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell, because once I upload episode 4 of the free traffic report from Polly B, and he's going to show you how to get all the sales letters written. You don't have to write any of them. It's really cool. I've already listened to it. Okay, that's a little secret. And I'm just going to upload it tomorrow for you so that you can get it. But don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all of this amazing content from someone who has made tens or over $15 million. I was going to say tens of millions of dollars. He'd probably give me heck for that. But over $15 million in the affiliate marketing online making money industry. So don't want to miss out on that. Subscribe. Hit the little bell so that you'll get the notification once I upload the next video in this amazing series. Thanks again for watching. My name is Sandy Sauve, and I'll see you in the next episode.